Alright, this video is at the behest of Laura Tarlow up in the high school. She had sent me a video tip on Google Apps file management, and I wanted to do a couple things related to that and share her tip with you also. So, when you are in your Google Drive, you see all of your materials, and you may have a presentation, like for instance this one here, Shen Logo, that you want to move to a different folder. Simply by clicking and holding your mouse button and dragging it over, it will move it. You'll see it says Move Shen Logo. However, that takes it out of the original folder. If your intent is to put a copy of it in another folder, and then you can click on either file to edit it, then you have to add it to a folder. So if I wanted to add this to the LTIT folder, I would hold down the control key on my keyboard, click and drag it, and you'll now see it says Add. That will cause a copy to be placed in the LTIT folder and the original to stay in the My Drive root folder, and editing either one will make changes to both of them. It's a linked file. Okay, you may also want to put this file in more than just the original location in one additional place. So to do that, what you do is check the box next to Shen Logo, click on the Move To icon, and now you can hold down the control key on your keyboard and click on all of the folders you would like that to appear in, or even, for that matter, subfolders of subfolders. Okay, so this will now put that file in the SIL, the LTIT, and the TTT folder, as well as the root folder it's in. So I click Move, and you'll now notice that that file has the designations of all the spots it is in, and that in at least one of those locations it's become a shared file also. Deleting the file from here deletes it from those places. Going into one of those places and deleting that file would delete it from all of the others also. So be very careful not to delete a file you've put into multiple folders. If you want to remove access from that file from other folders, maybe the people are done working on it and you want to keep it in a safe archival storage space, you can check the button, click the Move To button, and then just select the one folder that you want it in, and it will disconnect it from all the others. You'll see it says down here, you're removing it from the CIL and the LTIT and of one other shared folder. Click Move, and it essentially undoes what you just did. So that's how to move and share files. If you want to make a separate copy of that file that can have changes done to it independent of the original, you'll come up here to File, and you'll say Make a Copy. It'll literally tell you that it's going to name that file Copy of Shen Logo, but you could take that out and say Shen Logo version 2, and then click OK. And when it makes a copy of a file, it puts that copy in your main folder only. It will not put it in the same folder that the original file was in. If it's a subfolder, it will not put it in a subfolder. It moves all copied files to the main drive folder, where you can then move them around. Okay? So that's how to quickly move and add files to multiple folders in Google Drive.